Hi there, Philip here, and this is the last devlog from Unity course. It's the last one because I have already finished the course, and as you can see here, I have been adding lots of stuff in the previous days. Okay, so let's see it. I have been working on the environment. As you can see, I've been adding some trees, some mountains, the textures of the roads, of the grass, buildings. I've been moving the NPCs here and also the bandits over there in the village. But let's see it in the game. Okay, so when you will play the game, you will start in the beginning of the forest and you can equip some weapons. So here you are, you can equip the weapons. All right, for example, Sport 4. And of course, you can pick up the quests. So here are the two quests. Here's the first NPC, Amelia, hey stranger. Okay, I'm looking for a job. Okay, there are two bandits. Okay, and here's the second quest. All right, and here I need to get rid of the bandit leader. Okay, so I have both of the quests. You can see it when I will click on the player. All right, player here. There are the quests here. They are currently active. You can see the hunt quest active and the other one is active as well. Okay, so now I need to go down the road here. There will be two bandits I need to get rid of. All right, so I'll get here simply. We'll engage the bandits. They're going to gather on me, all right. Let's try to evade the attacks. Let's go. And that's it. All right, now you can see the quests are completed and my player should have been level 2. So in the player stats, somewhere here, I have a level 2 and 300 experience. All right, so that's the preview of the game. And that's what you can work on if you will visit the course. Okay, so all of the info in the description. I am preparing to work on more content for my YouTube channel for the Unity, and I'm overall planning to make more educational videos for Unity. Alright guys, so that should be it from the preview, and I hope to see you in some of my other videos. Cheers!